If credit spreads sound complicated or risky to you, you're not alone. Almost everyone I talk to wants consistent income, but they hesitate because they think credit spreads are too complex or too risky or something only advanced traders can do. I've been trading credit spreads for nearly a decade, and what I've learned is this: they only feel complicated because most people explain them the wrong way. In this video, I'm going to break down one real trade from this week, not with jargon, not with hype, but in a simple way that helps you to see how this actually works and why it's far less stressful than most people think. So let's dive in. So let's talk about what's actually risky in trading that most people aren't getting. Most people have this gambling perspective when it comes to trading, and that's the riskiest bit of it all. That's what's causing everyone to lose all their money. Whenever I look at trading, I go, look, there are people that are out here gambling. They're out here just throwing things out the wind, hoping that they're going to be right, that they're going to hit a big runner, it's going to run in their direction. But what ends up happening is they end up losing all their money. They just keep pulling that slot machine. Hopefully it's going to work out. And when they lose all their money, they go, oh man, I put some more in there. That guy's making money. I'm going to keep putting more in. That's the risky part of trading, in my opinion. The reason why I trade credit spreads is because it's actually less riskier. I am the casino, not the gambler. If you notice casinos, they're a lot bigger than the homes that most people live in. So who is actually making money, the gambler or the casino? Now, people do make money gambling, but 90% of them or 95% of them, or probably more, are losing money. So the casino is playing a winner's game. Again, look at the size of casinos compared to most people's homes around the casinos. Where's the money going? The casinos know something that most people don't. Most people are out there trying to make money. They see the opportunity to make money, but they don't recognize the risk. Casinos have their risk set ahead of time. The casino knows that eventually they're going to pay out that $1 million jackpot, but they also know they're making millions and millions and millions of dollars every day before they ever have to pay that out. You see, the casino is using the insurance mentality. We're getting paid a whole lot of money, and every once in a while we're going to have to give some back, but we're making way more than what we'd ever have to give back. That's the game that I am playing as a credit spread trader. You see, I used to be the gambler and I got the same results. Nothing. My money was going to somewhere else. I wanted to figure out where my money's going. It's like, that's what I need to be doing. And that's what got me into credit spreads. Credit spreads allows me to become the casino instead of the gambler. I know my risk. I know my exact percentage of how many wins I will have before percentage-wise a loss comes. That allows me to mitigate my risk, plan on my risk, and have everything predictable right in front of me. I know all these answers to a T. Whereas I don't know my answer if I'm out there just trading and throwing something on black and hoping that something goes up or down, or that I call the markets perfectly and that I outsmart everyone out there in the world. That to me is where the risk is. That to me is gambling. And that to me is where most people struggle in their trading. But yet they look at this and they go, oh, no, that's way too risky for me. That's too complex. In this video, again, I'm going to break it down where it's not. I'm hopefully helping you to see that you're missing the point and you're missing out on easy money, because credit spreads allow you to be the casino. Know your risk to the T before you ever get into the trade, know the probabilities of losses, and stack all of these things in your favor so that you can start finally seeing consistent income. So how does this style of trading actually work, and how do we know the outcome before we ever get into the trade? Let's dive into this. You win with credit spreads when the stock doesn't go somewhere. So you can do this on the top side of the chart or even on the bottom side of the chart. This is a whole different way of thinking. It no longer matters where the stock goes. It's simply a matter of where is it not going to go for a certain amount of time. And so the stock can go up, it can go sideways, it can go down. You are going to win. All of those scenarios now make you money. Whereas before, in gambling or any other directional trading, you have to be correct on the direction. It has to go up or it has to go down. If it stays stuck, you're not going to make money. And not just the direction, it has to go all the way to target, up or down. And so you have to be perfect. And that's why everyone is losing in their trading so consistently. This week, this was the trade that we sold this week. So we assumed that the markets would not make it up above this line right here. So we sold this credit spread. Now, how do we know the outcome before we ever get in? A stock is only going to move a certain amount every single day on average. So if we look here on the SPX is going to move on average around 0.5%. That's the average daily expected move. If you look here on a daily chart, this is the average size candle. Some are smaller, some are larger, but around that's going to be the average size. We got into this bear call spread on Tuesday. It only has 3 days for it to move. And so this would be day 1, this would be day 2, and this would be day 3. Because we know the average move of a stock, we can purposely sell way outside of that average move. By Friday, the probabilities are saying that the best case scenario would be that we get to 70-50. So we know the outcome before we get in. Is it possible for a stock to make a parabolic move and go past that? Yes, but people think that happens all the time. It doesn't. That is the low probability play. In fact, over 80% of the time, we are not going to be breaking outside of certain options expected moves. The option market is going to tell you those probabilities ahead of time. And not only that, but they fluctuate with the environments. So this week, we had the Fed interest rate decision. We had earnings. We have all of these things that are going to cause potentially a big move. And guess what the options do? They swell with the volatility. So it's not like it says, oh, well, we only move this much. It says, no, this week, there's a chance that we're actually going to move this much every day. And it allows us to still price it even further away. So in a normal market where I could sell here, I could sell up here this week because the options and credit spreads adjust for higher volatility moments. Now the only thing that we have to deal with are the uncertainties. War breaks out, right? Something like that happens, a massive gap. That's going to happen. But that's where math is on our side. That's the casino, right? The casino knows someone's going to hit a jackpot. They're going to have to pay out $1 million. But in the meantime, they've made $50 million. Is paying out $1 million worth the cost of business? Yes. Because they know the people chasing this 1 million is going to make them 50 million. I'm happily going to pay someone $1 million if that meant that I make 50 million. That's the math of any business. And it's the same thing here with our credit spreads. Right now, we are working on around 78 winners in a row. When I finally do take one loss, which will happen, it's going to negate around 3 to 6 of those winners. And that's because I have very specific mitigation rules when it comes to risk. I don't take the max loss on my credit spreads, which most people do, which sets them back like 20 wins. I'm losing on average 3 to 6 wins worth of profit on my one loss. But that one loss is going to happen on average once every 70 to 100 trades. So I am making thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars before I have a $1,500 loss. I can play those odds. I can play that math. And this is what most people aren't seeing. They don't understand how the game is being played. And so they refuse to play the game that's actually going to give them success in trading. Okay, cool. So you understand the concepts of credit spreads now. They might be a little bit less scary, but now the next question is, how do I get started? It's really intimidating for people. It's like, I don't even know where to start. And that's why I created the free system called the $200 Strategy Challenge. This is designed to give you a complete framework to teach you everything from the ground all the way up to the top floor of this building here of the casino to show you exactly how to become the casino in your trading. Everything in between, options, every step of credit spreads that you need to know, how to navigate your broker, all of that stuff, all the rules of the strategy, it's all there. This is not designed to make you rich. This is designed to give you consistent small wins so you can start making $600 to $800 a month. And most importantly, teaching you how to stick to a process long enough to actually see the results. We do one trade a week, simple, easy, consistent, and anyone can do it. It doesn't take up a lot of time. Literally, it's about 20 minutes of management a week. And so if you have a full-time job, you're able to do this strategy. If you're sitting at home, you're able to do this strategy. The most important thing is teaching you how to simply just follow a process and stick with it long enough to get the results of that process. People bounce around way too much. This gives you immediate returns, consistent results, and you'll know your outcome before you ever even place the trade. So here are the recent results from this past month of the $200 strategy challenge. Each one of these are the trades that we have taken, the strikes that we have sold, and the outcomes of these trades. Again, my goal is to help you to make $200 a week. That's the goal inside the $200 strategy challenge. If I can help someone out there make $800 a month consistently, it is going to change your life. And it has changed the lives of thousands of traders that have taken on this challenge and have joined this system in this process and have become the casino instead of the gambler. So this is our recent trade that we just took this week. We dive into it here. This was the details of this trade, and I walk people through every one of these details live every single week. So we set up the trade live together. You'll watch my screen. I show you exactly where to sell it, what strikes to sell, how to do it, how to navigate your broker, what to do, what not to do, what are all the rules. And then later on that evening, every Monday, we have a mentor group where we meet together live and I do more coaching, answer your questions, hold your hand, and make sure that you actually get this. So this trade, we sold the 70.95 and then bought the 71.05. That is this line right here. And it's basically just saying we win as long as it stays below this. And as you can see, we stayed below that. We were able to actually buy this back after just 1 day of being in the trade. So we got paid 50 cents for this, which is $50 a contract. And then we were able to exit out of this for 20 cents a contract. So we spent $20 to get out of it. So the reason why we sold this specific credit spread was, again, the sizing of these daily moves told us that it would not make it up this high. We were already very extended. And so the probability is that we'd actually get a pullback before it ended up going higher. And that's exactly what it did. If it were to have kept bouncing higher, we were okay. We accounted for that. We sold outside statistically where the expected move would be. And if it were to get too close and make that 5% crazy move, we had a game plan for that as well. And we would have moved this credit spread even further away. And so, yeah, we can get out of this credit spread here and move it further away and keep making money even when we were completely wrong or something goes badly against us. Well, as you can see this week, it easily pulled back. We won on it very, very quickly. This strategy is changing lives of thousands of people. I developed this entire system nearly a decade ago when I needed consistency, when I needed to stop gambling and become the casino. And now it's helping thousands of people. And that's where I get my fulfillment out. It's awesome showing people this. You can see here, Amy, she's like, this is like magic. She closed out at 0.15, much better than what I did at 0.2. And just choosing faith over really cool. So he says this strategy is awesome. So excited to keep learning. This is her first time making real money, $180 this week. So cool. Chad sharing his story, which is really, really cool, of how he's been able to grow this and start making a lot more money and scaling this thing higher. And then Andrew, same story. You can pause this and kind of read all of this. I'm not going to take time to read all of this, but 11K in profit for December. How cool is that? You can scale this to more. The goal of this is just to simply teach you the system, give you the foundation, and then you can build on that as much as you want. But an extra $800 a month changes people's lives. That's, getting out of debt. That's a new house. That's a new car. That is, a bigger emergency fund. That's making memories with your family and going on vacations. I just got a message from someone in the community talking about how it just paid for their cruise that their family could go on and make memories. It's opening their eyes to how easy money is to get when you are the casino and not the gambler. If you'd like to come learn this system, I'm currently doing a 30-day challenge where you get access for 30 days completely for free, no commitment, nothing else needed, where you can see for yourself this system in action. You can see the results come through before you ever spend a dime. I am not here to saying, trust me, this works. I want you to see it and witness it for yourself. Come check us out at Real Life Trading. Check out the links down below. Start your 30-day challenge. Come learn from me, watch my screen, watch me trade this live every single week, and then meet in a mentor group with me every single week where I can answer more of your questions, teach you exactly how to do this, give you the blueprint to this system where you can build it and take it wherever you'd like to go from there. Links are down below, my friends. Come check it out. Come join us at Real Life Trading. Come see how being the casino will change your life compared to everyone else out there who's trying to be the gambler.